boys and girls, we just finished reading the book about frogs, and here's our KWL chart about frogs. I'm going to go ahead and read what you told me, what you knew about frogs. Also, I'm going to read what you wanted to learn, and I've already answered the questions on what you want to learn. So here we go. Frogs can hop, jump, frogs swim, frogs can hop really high. Frogs are green. Frogs stick their tongues out to catch food. Some frogs are different colors. Frogs can be pets. Frogs live on land and water. Frogs can make you sick. Frogs are beautiful. Frogs say ribbit. Frogs eat flies and other bugs. Frogs lay eggs under lily pads. Frogs rest on lily pads. Frogs suck a lot of air to croak. Last, frogs are slimy. How far can frogs jump? Some frogs can jump or hop 20 times their body length, and that's really far, boys and girls. Can they make different sounds besides ribbit? Yes, they can croak, whistle, chirp, bark, and grunt. Where do frogs live? Many frogs live near ponds or marshes. Some frogs live near lakes or rivers. Tree frogs live in trees. Can frogs be friends with other pets? No. If you had a dog or a cat, for example, they would probably be attacking it all the time. Do they have babies? Yes. How loud are their sounds? They can be very loud. Why do frogs live in ponds? To keep their skin wet. What do they do at the pond? They lay eggs, hunt for food, keep their skin wet, moist. What are baby frogs called? Tadpoles. What do baby frogs eat? They eat small water plants and animals. Why are frogs slimy? Boys and girls, their skin is covered with something called mucus, and that makes it really slimy. Just think about it when you are blowing your nose. When you blow your nose, it's kind of slimy. It's kind of like that. How long do frogs live? Frogs live for a few years. What kind of bugs do they eat? Frogs eat bugs, worms, and slugs. Also, some eat small fish and mice. How do they go potty? Well, I searched for this on the internet. This is what I found. If you pick up a frog, they will go potty on your hands. How do they breathe? They use their lungs like we do. They breathe from their nostrils, and their skin also helps them to breathe. How do they sleep? Frogs close their eyes. What is the largest frog ever found? The largest frog ever found is the Goliath frog. Do mommy and daddy frogs stay with the eggs? Once they lay the eggs, they leave them. Are cats and dogs predators? Yes. How many different kinds of frogs are there? There are 4,100 different kinds of frogs. I hope you could use this KWL chart. I had fun making it, and I wanted to share it with you, and I can't wait to read all about frogs.